Hi everyone, this is GFX Partner. Let's take a look at how to install the Titan Preloaders and Page Transitions WordPress plugin. So to install the plugin, go to the plugins page and click on Add New, and then click on Upload Plugin. And now you need to choose the .zip file. I will choose the file now. Click on Install button, and this will install the plugin. Okay, so the plugin has been installed successfully. Now we need to activate the plugin. Please click on the Activate Plugin button. Okay, so the plugin has been activated successfully. You can see that we have a new menu item here. Click on it. Okay, so if you see this screen, which means that the plugin has been installed and activated successfully. Thank you for watching the video.